Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the Project Management Guru series. Today, I want to introduce you to a program in which I intend solving some of the problems of project managers and contract managers in the construction industry. I've developed this program online where I'll offer mentorship lessons via any communication media so that I'll be able to solve some of the numerous problems that my colleagues encounter in the management of their projects and their various construction contracts. So it's quite simple. All that you need to do is to just tell me the challenges, any challenge that you are facing with your project work, your project management work, or your construction contract management, those GCC problems and JBCC forms of contract problems that you have. Just talk to me via WhatsApp. And you know my WhatsApp number is 082 727 8736. And I'll do my best to assist you solve some of these problems online. I just want to start with this quote from Zig Ziglar. Zig Ziglar says, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. So I want us to learn. I want us to converse online and discuss and come up with solutions to some of the teething problems that project managers and construction managers and even engineers who are managing projects encounter, or architects encounter. And I'll do my best to help you out online. Why am I doing this? I noticed a problem way back in my career, my 25-year career. I've attended many courses, both on-site and off-site. And I can assure you the only benefit that I got from these courses is the certificate and the CPD points, the continuous professional development points. It did not really help me in my work. Most of the skills that I have, either I learned it on my own through my own research, or I got some mentorship where I was working. I got people who assisted me as I do the work. But those off-site courses that I attended at various places, it didn't really produce much impact on my career. You know, those courses don't actually deliver value. If you interview people, they don't really deliver value to participants. And you have to take time off your work to attend these courses. These courses are not flexible. Most of the time, the things that are taught at these courses are things which are imposed on you. They do not actually address your day-to-day problems or deliver value to you. Courses are sometimes compressed and rushed in a very short duration of time. And sometimes it's very difficult to actually grasp the concepts that are being taught at these courses. I remember I attended a design software course, and it was very, very funny. We didn't even understand anything. The whole thing was rushed because design work, you really need time, but this guy never had time. The whole thing was compressed in 2 days, and he had to finish the software teaching us the software in 2 days. And you can imagine. So all that we got was the certificate and CPD points. We didn't really get the concept. Okay. And research had also proven that skills are actually impacted effectively by the mentee given the chance to do the work. and then also one-on-one sessions with their supervisors at the workplace. Most of the time, this is the best place. This is how skills are impacted. You give the mentee the chance to do the work. He does the work. He gets stuck. He comes back to you. You teach him what to do. He makes mistakes. You correct it. It's the best way of gaining skills. So I intend using this research result to develop a program online. And all that I need to do is to just mentor you online. More or less, my program will be value driven. It will be flexible. You do it at your own time. And it's also tailor-made to the problem. It's all problem focused. And a very short lesson that will address your problem. That's the gist of this program. Okay, fine. And then my value proposition for this program is, my main aim for this program is, I just want to assist project managers, construction contract managers, engineers, architects, contractors, even students, interns, and even any construction industry practitioner who is managing construction projects. I just want to assist them effectively through flexible problem solving short online lessons, which will actually help them in their work. So basically, the program begins with you telling me in detail your day-to-day pain or teething problem that you are currently facing at work or even at school, as far as the management of your projects are concerned. And I will actually design a lesson that will actually address this problem or this stated problem of yours. Apart from that, the value that you obtain from this program is I'll give you the opportunity to subscribe to my Facebook page or to my Facebook professional group platform or my WhatsApp professional group platform or my YouTube channel, where you can gain access to some of my recorded lecture videos, live cases and trends, and you also gain access to expert knowledge. That is, you can chat with seasoned experts on these platforms who can help you in your future challenges. So this program is not just a once-off thing. I'm actually going to mentor you for the rest of your professional life. Apart from me helping you online for 30 minutes to solve your problem, any future problem, I'll give you the opportunity to join my professional group online or my YouTube channels, where you can speak to other experts who can also help you with some of your future problems. Okay, so that's my value proposition for this program. And as I indicated, my target group are civil engineers, consulting engineers, architects, contract managers, project managers, quantity surveyors, site agents, contractors, and anybody in the built environment, even students who have assignments. You can bring it to me and I'll help you out online. And those who want professional registrations into the various project management professional bodies like the SACP, CMP, and the PMI, I will encourage you to bring some of your reports to me. I can review it and discuss with you and mentor you and help you out in your registration effort. Okay, so this is the target group that I intend helping or assisting in this program. The one may ask, who is speaking? I'll introduce myself to you. My name is J.B. Nati. I'm actually a civil engineer by profession. I hold a BSc Civil Engineering, and I also have a master's in project management from University of Pretoria. And I'm also a professional project manager registered with a PMI. And then I have 25-year professional experience. My experience is basically in project management and construction contract management and project finance. I've worked in various organizations. I've worked with clients. I've worked with contractors. I've worked with consultants. I've worked with project sponsors. like IFAD, you said, Danida. I've worked with project sponsors who have done project finance and project appraisals. And I've worked in 3 different countries, Ghana, Republic of Sierra Leone, and South Africa. And I've gained quite a lot of experience as far as project management and construction contract management is concerned. And I intend sharing some of my knowledge with you, some of the things that I have learned on the field. I want to share them with those that have problems. I've done quite a number of training for a lot of professionals. But the last training I did was last year, October 2018, construction contract management course. And then I've also done training in Durban. That was in September 2016, the GCC 2015 course. I also lectured at Walter Sisulu University for 6 years in the civil engineering department. I lectured construction project management. I've also done a course in GCC 2015 in Manzini, Swaziland in June 2017. So this is my background as far as training is concerned. So you are really in good hands, and I have a lot to share with you if you just tell me what your problems are. What are the benefits of this program that I'm launching? It's a flexible program. All that you need to do is to book appointments with me. Just give me the dates that you are available and the time, and I'll make myself available for you. So it's very flexible. You attend the lesson at your own time, not my time, your time. The lesson is tailor-made. I'm not going to impose anything on you. I'm not going to introduce anything to you. Just tell me what your problems are, and the lesson will be designed to address the problem. Okay. Now, the lesson is very short. I don't intend wasting time online with you. It's just a short duration. We are talking of a maximum of 30 minutes. I should be able to address your problem for you. The number of lessons will depend on the extent of the problem. So if your problem is quite big, then we might have a number of lessons which we'll agree on. But if it's just a small problem, then maybe the maximum of 30 minutes or even 25 minutes will be okay. It doesn't end there. There's follow-up assistance as I indicated on mentorship. I'll get you to join my professional group so that you can also gain mentorship and assistance from other professionals like me as well. So it's not just a once-off thing that I'm helping you. I'm actually going to mentor you for the rest of your professional career. Course materials, yes, after I have solved your problem online and we've discussed online, the next thing is I'll send the lesson notes or materials in PDF or Word format, whichever format you want. I'll deliver it into your email. Or we can have a shared Dropbox folder if you are interested in, if you have Dropbox account. I can have a shared Dropbox folder where I'll put this lesson notes on it. Or I can send it via WhatsApp to you, to your WhatsApp account. Or I can send it via Facebook Messenger. So you will tell me where I should send the lesson notes to. And then the method of delivery. I insist on one-on-one sessions with the participant, just me and you. We just discuss the problem and I give you the solution. And I'll continue to mentor you until the problem is resolved. Now, the lessons will be delivered in the form of a dialogue. So I'm not going to impose things on you. You tell me what the problem is in advance, and the lesson will be tailored to address that particular problem. So we are going to have a conversation online, and then I'll resolve the problem for you online. Okay. Now, the communication technology. We will use Skype. We will use WhatsApp video chat. We will use WhatsApp Messenger. We will use Facebook live videos, Facebook Messenger, YouTube live videos to communicate. So we will have to agree. You have to tell me which one will be most comfortable for you. And then we will use it for our lessons. Hardware, you can use your laptop, you can use your tablet, you can use your desktop, you can use your mobile phone, you can use your iPad. Any of them will be fine. Okay. Now, those of you who want a full course in project management or construction contract management, that's a separate course altogether. And for that one, I'll give you a certificate of attendance at the end of the course. It will take you 2 weekends to do that. And I can still deliver it via Skype because I need to share my screen with you if you are taking a full course. Or if you want to attend the lessons, you can also attend lessons in my residence in Durban. I can host you for 2 weekends in my guest room for a token fee, and you can take the full course for 2 weekends. That's about 32 hours. Okay. Now, the next thing is the cost. How much would it cost? It depends on the problem that you are sharing with me, but whatever problem you bring to me, the first introductory lesson is free. But subsequent lessons will cost you 150 Rand for a maximum duration of 30 minutes. So if the problem is going to take 2 lessons, the first lesson is free. But the second lesson, you have to pay me 150 Rand for a maximum duration of 30 minutes. And you have to pay upfront via e-wallet before the lesson begins. Okay. And those of you who want a full course in project management or construction, especially the GCC and the JBCC, it will cost you 150 per 1 hour lesson for a maximum of 20 lessons. And you can attend it as I indicated, one-on-one. You can come to my residence. I can host you for 2 weekends and you can have that particular course. With a full course, you'll get a certificate of attendance and you have to complete a registration form and make payments upfront per lesson. With a full course too, you still have to book an appointment, the date, time, and the duration that you want. What are the materials that you need for this program? You make sure you have a pen or a pencil, a calculator, and a notepad to take some notes as we discuss online. And you need to get your mobile phone, whichever hardware you want to use, mobile phone, tablet, iPad, laptop, or desktop. And these are the only things that you need. And that's sufficient for us to do these lessons. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very short program that I want to introduce to you. It's very interesting. It's basically problem focused. So if you have a problem, just come to the guru, talk to the guru, book an appointment with the guru, tell the guru what the problem is, and I'll do my best to help you online. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button at the bottom of this video so that you join my YouTube channel as well as part of the benefits of this program. Okay, don't forget to click on the subscribe button at the bottom of this video. Send me your name, your email address. Describe the problem that you have or the challenge that you are facing. Send it to me via my WhatsApp number 082 727 8736 or send it to my email address bernardnate13@yahoo.com. You can also book an appointment with me at the same date, time, and duration via my WhatsApp number. Tell me which choice of media will be most comfortable for you. Is it a Skype, WhatsApp video, whatever? Just tell me which one will be most comfortable for you. And then tell me, is it mobile, tablet, whatever? Tell me your choice of the format of the lesson notes, the way you want it. Is it PDF or Word? And where I should send it. And then just make yourself available online for us to have this short problem solving lesson. Those of you who want a full course, as I indicated, you need to complete a registration form and make payments upfront per lesson. I'll send you the registration form if you are interested. And the same way, you book an appointment and you attend the lesson online via Skype, or you can also come to my residence in Durban if you're available around here, and we'll have a nice time together for 2 weekends if you want the full course. So thank you very much. Take action now. Please click on the button, on the subscribe button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then send your problem to me immediately via my WhatsApp messenger. Thank you very much and have a good evening.